Yo, yo. What is up, my peeps? Oh, just getting this little pre-market in. I gotta shut this door. Shit. I gotta take a shit. Yeah. Camera. Getting some pre-market scalps in, boys. Got a little breaky here. We got a daily. Daily 1 hour. IF Fed hit the consequent encroachment. Big tanks here. We had a huge open. Daily open. Wicked it. Trotted higher for yesterday's high pre-market. So I like that for even regular trading hours as well. But we had an absolute massive opening range gap. And then the market just tanked. And I was just like, what the fuck? So I got to bounce off here. You got to reclaim fair value gap. I like these levels. As reclaimed level through here. So even this, like great signatures on that. So looking for this 1 hour fair value gap to keep going higher, then the market just fucking dropped. I was like, holy smokes. Yeah, as of now, I'm just monitoring really this area right here. Fair value gap. 10 a.m. I feel like it's a really good fair value gap. I just really keep pushing higher. If I can get a little fair value gap in here, I might go take a stab at it long. Wouldn't take it. Yeah, I like to take it like near this. Might just run. Might just run. Run, Forrest, run. Even that, I mean, that's fucking gorgeous. Yeah. Beautiful. Like, imagine that was a daily chart right there. Sheesh. It's just going to keep going for all its buy sides. Bang, 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 bang. Keep going, my boy. Keep going, my boy. Really like to get back up into here, to be honest. Looking at it now. Then a dog. It's the daily open. Miniature fair value gap. I really do like that now. Super small. It's also a 15-minute fair value gap bouncing off. Nice higher time frame level. See institutional order flow just stay exactly like this. Boom, 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 boom. Don't want to see that low broken. Really want to see it come all the way back down, but absolutely can. Boink hits off the high right there. Some order flow over here. Let's see another swing what I've been taking here. I mean, you got the immediate rebalance right there. So what candle you want to pack? Should just fly. Immediate rebalance. Should go on this candle. I mean, I like a lot of it. I mean, you have a fucking fair value gap right here. 1 hour. Or sorry, 1 minute. 1 minute fairly. I like to get stuck back into here. I mean, you got 925 rolling around, which is a very, 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 very volatile time. I like to come back a little bit. Bam. Even that. I mean, that's really fucking. It's a cheap trade right there. Cheap trade to make all that. Do I want to risk $50 on her? What that 50 to make? Well, even that. 15 to make 3. That'd be 1 to 7. 1 to 7 with 925 coming out. For the SLP. 84. Oh, dang. It's a top boy. That's a top boy. You see some extension through here. This for a regular break and retest would be nice. A little reclaimed. A little reclaimed boy. Boink, even that. Oh, dude. How cheap would that be? Capture the low right there. Boink, and you're out. But really, even that. That'd be where your stop loss would have to be. Technically, that's very, very, very aggressive. Do you like how it reclaimed this, though? This breaker. It wants to break down now. Come on. ES is breaking down here. A little bit. Get some displacement. There we go. Swing low. Oh, look at that reaction. So we don't see when it's institutionally bullish. Institutional alt flow. I'd like to see all these get reclaimed. It's going to keep going higher. That would support price. Down into that. Volume balance, mean threshold. It's really the lowest that I'd like to see it go. If it's any lower than that, I'd be like, eh. Closes really. Closes any lower than that. It's kind of a no-go for me now. Yep, nope. Don't like it. No more. Be at that moment. Either consolidate a little bit or go lower. It shoots up higher. Have to reevaluate. What the fuck's going on? 5 minute order block. Just took out sell side. Could take a little bit. I think a little more immediate reaction though. 925. Damn, that shit didn't do nothing. Oh, maybe it took out sell side, rocketed higher. Like I said, that's not good order flow though. That was permissible, but coming off of that now, it's like last straw kind of. A wee little bit. Editor display. Can you take me higher? I like these lows to let me get some kind of waxing in. We got this market about to open up. Lows just got waxed. Nice. See it even go a little bit lower. But it wants to get extension through it. Little fair value gap right here. But what was that? Some old PM session low? No. You do have some nice lows right there. That is 1 hour lick. You might want to actually drop into that fair value gap during regular trading hours. We are at that level. Which is that. Boom. Midway. That'd be nice. I can see it remain below this high now. They can go all the way back up in this fair value gap, and honestly, if it's good, it's going to leave that one open. Little breakaway guy. Little breakaway action. Little three wick pattern right here. Doesn't even make it up to the second one. Could be very, very, very exceedingly bearish when it opens up. We can stay below this. This breaker's activated really in this side. This breaker, if it wants to hang out in here, but when it wouldn't be surprised. Just in between two breakers here. Small opening range gap, tiny opening range gap on ES. Holy smokes. Just tiny, tiny. Let's see where these guys are going. Why I'm going down, NASDAQ going up. It's a tough look. Tough look. Oh. Gap already filled. Going higher, we have a small fair value gap there. For 5 minute. Relative highs, very quick. Rebalance right to that old high. 15-second. Bang, right there again. IO Fed. Take higher, I'd like. If it was a symmetrical mark. Now we're just tanking through all that. Got a little buy side. Back down. I'd definitely like that to be liquidated sometime here in the near future. Near future as like AM session, kind of. Nice. Way to blow through that. We got regular trading hour low. We have another set of regular trading hour low right below it. We'll get rid of that. Also, get rid of this. And I'm going to put a little, 15, I mean, kind of. So you can see it. Just took out regular trading hour low. Let's see if we can get the next one. I think it's going to keep going. It should. Big move to the upside. Would have been a lot cleaner if it hit this, but seemingly bearish now that it didn't hit it. So get to there. So boom, we took out the last overnight low by a tick. Tapped into that daily fair value gap, which is basically yesterday's low again. Tapped into it. It'd be nice to see it get a little bit lower than that. Put the quadrant levels on it. So we have the one right there. 25 is this level. I mean, that would be just absolute perfection. If it hit that one tick below it, give them in, and then fucking, yesterday's regular trading hour low. And then take off for higher prices. What do we got? Lot of speculation. That's what we got. Just a whole bunch of first presented now. Right above consequent encroachment. I don't hate it. It's just like kind of like higher time, like a nice Level here, nice level here, 1 hour level there. I mean, IO Fed to dig deeper wouldn't be the craziest thing in the world. I'd like to see it get a little deeper, honestly. If it doesn't, then we know. Could be going for something. Could be going for something. I don't know what the hell that is. I do have to take a shit. Fuck. Yeah, gun to my head will go a little bit deeper. I mean, unless we close over the very top of that, then I mean it's just gonna be a little consolidation. We don't have symmetrical markets at all. I'll be right back in a second. Little gun to my head action going lower. Wait, have we not been? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. I'm so dumb. Fucking tits. Whatever, fuck it. Anyway, I said gun to my head, we'd be going lower from here. And I'm now pissed. But we left that untapped into, hit the first presented fair value gap, which is the first one after 9:30. IO Fed could have dug a little bit deeper because I said we took out yesterday's swing low in yesterday, which is this, another swing low yesterday. Could be going for fucking that low. Holy smokes, we're just expanding big time. Which is today's low. So it'll be a little 4-hour liquidity right there. We'll put that on this chart, 206. Let's see if we can even reach down in there. I'm pretty sure you will. It's so fucking close now. It just makes sense too. That level. All right, let's see how we play around this. I mean, there's just a whole bunch of shit here. Consequent encroachment. Fair value gap. I would never take this trade. I mean, if there wasn't these higher time frame levels there, I would fucking smash it. Massive fair value gap here in the 15-second. I would take this one. Boink. Take it lower. If there wasn't all this shit. Let's just taper it, see how it just blows through it. If not, just bounce off. Leave the relative equal lows for FOMC. That'd be a better narrative. Leave him for FOMC. Fucking trade back up into the range. Trade back over this high. I'd like to see that happen. I would not like to see it just take this out. Just because of the narrative's sake. Just leave the relative equal low there for FOMC. Oh, that'd be a dandy. Oh, that would just be so good. So good. But I can't. Like, I wouldn't hate it. A lot of opening ranges. YM's flying higher. Nothing really in sync here. But do I have to take another shit? Did I not get it all out? That's fucking nuts. Like I said, leave it. Oh, so clean. I mean, still, like, I would have to see it really break this swing high for it to keep going. Could reclaim it, go lower. I would just love it to just leave it and wipe it out for FOMC. Characteristics of FOMC, just leave relative equal low, relative equal highs, just everywhere. It's swept later. Like even this, like this isn't, that's not a good run. I mean, you can look at the regular trading hours here. We haven't taken out that high yet, which is right here. We haven't taken it out, regular trading hours. If you look at electronic trading hours, banger, we did. We had that huge drop, massive drop. But anyway, fair value gap here. Let's see if we can keep extending lower. Or is that 25% after we close over it? Here, 50%. We did close over it. God damn it. I'm going to be right back. Oh, baby. Looking at her performer. So now we take it to here. So a massive 5-minute fair value gap there. Not worried about it. 1 minute reclaim. Bam, bam. Take out for higher. Get this off the chart. I love that being left right there. Love, 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 love that being left. I would love it. I would love this to get waxed here. That is why I would not take that trade right there. Regular trading hour now, we can trade back, like I said, like before. Regular trading hour, we can dump back down to this, take out the regular trading hour lows, leave this low for FOMC, and I wouldn't have taken that short right there. Any other day, really kind of would take that short. Even this IOFED, I could even look to go lower here, take this, trade it. It might end up working out now, but I'd rather not see that work out until FOMC. But any other day, I would probably look to go short here, trade below this, retest, go lower for this low, which is about, shit, that's a fucking move, 35-point move. Nice little something. Nice little something. You know what I mean? Wouldn't trade into this because you have first presented. I like it to remain bullish though. Like I said, now you have a fair value gap, balanced price range here. Hits off of the daily premium side of that fair value gap one more time. Beautiful. Doesn't even have a body close inside of this. I should see some legs here. Right over this swing high. Take this guy off. Order flow should remain bullish. Wouldn't want to see it trade back down to here before taking out these highs. And we're going to smack them. Boink. Right there. All that little movement right there. I mean, not really anything to get in sync off of. I'm looking at this fair value gap right in here. See if we even touch it, but we don't even touch it. I mean, this thing could be a juggernaut to the upside. Juggernaut. A little juggy. A little fucking juggernaut. Remain bullish. I like to see this be used. The bottom half of this to be used, keep going higher. But we do have that 1 hour fair value gap is bumping its head off of right now. This one with the order block really filled it in. Like I said, I'd like that to be left. Keep going. I'd like to see as well the equal highs each month. Really nothing there to pull from, though, to look for these highs to go higher. I mean, that would be the trade. To hit somewhere up in here, trade off of that, and then go higher. It's still just kind of weird and wonky. So yeah, now we can trade back down into this if it wants to, and also keep extending higher because now you have the break market structure, retest, and about. OTE. That's when OTEs happen. If it's going to keep going higher. So yes, those both can be tapped into to expand higher. Absolutely. I mean, that's nice. Bodies don't close over the consequent encroachment. Could be lifting up here. I'd like it to keep going, like I said. Take out these highs. That's where really my aim is right now. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. 30, not 30 minute, 30 second. Order flow. Keep the order flow bullish here. Can take out this swing low even to go higher. I'd like it to just not take out any lows until it consolidates and then rip higher. Wouldn't be as clean, but from here I'd like it to keep going. If it's going to, like we have a massive breaker right there. ES lackluster. YM's going down, NAS is going higher. So I like to keep that form. Trade back down to discount level. What would turn me off of this trade? If we get back down below this, I'm kind of sidelines. But this area, I like it to keep being bullish. I'd like to see the first fair value gap break, retest, not go back below the 50%. You have massive order blocks here if it does get up in this area. Nice balance range. Keep it going. We'll see what happens. Got that 5-minute order block. Completely filled in the 5-minute fair value gap. Now we got a reclaim diversion 1 hour. I'd like to just keep going higher. Higher would be ideal. I mean, on ES, just so many just logs and dogs. So it's not conducive. Almost set up. Just waiting. Just waiting, scouting. Down 200 tickies. Oh, he took that sell off rip. Not a bad sell. Like I said. Yeah. I'd sell right from here. I'm down a little bit on the week right now. Oh, show. I took a trade early AM sesh. I definitely shouldn't. I should have waited. Took me down. Then next trade I got into, I ended up winning. Let me go back over here. Yeah. The fuck? I'm not even pull that, bro, because we're so far down. What's it doing? Yep. Support from yesterday, long broke even, yeah. Yep, yesterday support right here. Not a bad bounce. Consolidating right now. I can see it going either way. I'd like the high to get taken out just because you have that fake move, everybody. Now everybody's short through this. I like to keep pushing higher here, regular trading hours. Massive move lower if it's gonna bump up for this. Like, I just like to keep going a little bit higher. So, let's see. But, I mean, massive move pre-market. Take out the lows. And then massive move down at 6 p.m. yesterday. Just fucking just, and then we ate all it back up and then, See ya. But where did I take? So I took a short up here. It's ended up stopping. I know we can't see it. I don't know why I can't fucking see it. Just put it on the screen. Oh. There we go. Where's it? Oh. Yeah. So I took this short in this area. I was going to wait to plan on taking it below here. Didn't wait. Cheap trade. Got stopped out right here. I thought these order blocks were going to hold up to keep going lower. Ended up stopping me out. Ended up expanding to where I wanted it to go. And then we had this run on stops there. Expanded lower. Took this short from here. Took it down to the consequent encroachment there. So made up some ground. But yeah, now, I mean, we're just in your wedge. Yeah, I mean, it's waiting for FOMC, man. We're decoupled too. If you're looking at all the other charts as well, like, so you want to trade markets that are everything. If everything's going a different way, it's going to be very, very difficult to get a nice read on her. Get a nice little read, We do like the reads. What? Oh, shit, it's showing now. What the fuck? I'm like, wait, why did it do that now? All right, cool. So yeah, I got in a short here. Was getting tripped up all the way up here, so I took that loss. And then it ended up putting me in 2 orders, and I took it out right away because I was like, what the fuck? So it was like a weird-ass experience there. Took this short. Got out here, drove my stop loss down to this low after expanding. Wanted to see it keep going here. My original take profit was down here, but stopped me out after getting below this low. Stop out. 150 in profit, and then missed out on 225 for it. I like this. Take out relative equal lows. Going a little bit higher now. Up 1 minute. I like that dip down. Nice reaction. We gave it all back. I'm not going to like it too much. Yeah. The Dow Jones flying up. Yes, NASDAQ kind of just consolidating now. I don't want to see this low get taken out. I want to see it stay bullish here. This low's the furthest I want to go. If it goes lower than that, then I don't really know what it wants to do at that point. Then I'll just have to wait for more information. Until then, now you have consolidation, manipulation, get everybody to think it's going that way, and then rip it against them. That's what I'm thinking. You built those orders into consolidation, you fucking rip it against them, so the fake move, and then go higher. Since our target's that way, I like to see it go. Like I said, I like to see this left rep. I want to see. But I mean, I'm not a trade now because I can see it going lower still in this, but I'd like to see it go higher. We're kind of getting to be in sync here with everything. You know, I'm still wanting to go lower after taking out highs, but you trades go lower. I'd like to see her keep pushing up there. There you go. Now I'd like to see it respect. Consequent encroachment top side, I want to like to see it get back down below. Close below this. Even retest this fair value gap. I'd like to see that stay left open. Just run for this high now. I am high. There's the damn long I'm not in. That's funny. I liked it. Like I said, I like the long. So looking at this, yeah, consolidation, manipulation. If you think it's going to go high, you wait for that sell side move and then rip it against them. Very clean. Very clean order flow right there. But ripping through all these higher time frame levels now, I would have to see something immaculate right here for me to get into that trade. I think it's going to keep going higher now. I mean, that's a super nice strong liquidity. This wants to rip, it'll rip. Not giving it much leeway on the downside. I would not want to just see it just sell off big time here. I don't even want to see it get back down to this level. I'd just like to see it trade back down, maybe to even the opening price and then higher. Yeah, okay, Pete. Okay, busy. That's a 15-point range. It's a little bit too much for me. I got the risk too much. Even if I got a little lower, it's a fucking very, very expensive trade. I'd like to keep going. Long's late, whatever, close on the high. I like it. I like that to get taken out. I mean, at the very least, I can see it going. How many ticks is 15 points? Was that 90 ticks? At the very least, I can see it going 90. IO Fed right here, fair value gap. Get a little push. Yeah, may stay cash. FOMC morning, yeah, it's going to be kind of tough. I already see a little bit decoupling here happening with everything we were just talking about. Like you see the high get taken though. This guy. Well, IO Fed. Boink. It's not enough room for me to really put a good risk on if it went from there. But that's a beautiful, beautiful setup if it wanted to go. So even here, consolidation. You have a higher target, manipulation, take out the lows there, opposite move, and then rip it higher. He said, of course they're going to bitch out, man. I guess I like the opening price there. Now rip higher. That's basically as low as I want to see it go. I don't want to get anybody in here, support and resistance, come back down. I'll leave those guys out of this trade. And now just rip it higher from there. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution from there. It absolutely can. Honestly, if it got down to here, I'd like to see it really get down to this level down here. Even just looking at that though, like that would be my favorite spot right there to get long in that low. Yeah, buy low, sell high, baby. Buy low, sell high. Oh. Like to see a rip higher. I'm getting a little sweaty. I'm gonna start wearing. I need to put my fan on or something. But I like this to rip higher. Keep going. Get some legs here, guy. Get some leg. Get a little leggies. There she goes. A little bit too expensive now for me. Yeah, keep going. Rip it up to there. Oh, that could even buy right there. Boink. Boink. 5-minute IO fed right there would be fucking clean. That low, just taking out this low for a split second and then going higher. Doesn't have to. Probably what I would wait for though. Before running the high, I'd take it. If it left those highs, ran that low, and gave me something in here to trade off of, I'd rip it higher. Just demanding a lot today, boys. Demanding a lot. Yes, just littered with all this fucking bullshit, though. What do we got here? Come on, load. It's even just a little bit above it. Basically the same open and close. Yeah, because it has to be. No shit. What do we got? What do we got? Beautiful body right on that top side. Just the narrative is just fucking beautiful. It's 1 hour fair value gap, 15 minutes. Like I said, I'll get in if this logo's taken out. I don't think it will, but it's definitely, and then make that move higher. I'd like to see some more sell side get taken at this point now. Even though we didn't have it here. So we have the sell side run here, even though this run's going to happen there. You don't want to see 2 minor sell side runs. You just like to see it go up higher. Boink, get off that level again. I like. For Anthony, I wouldn't be surprised. All right, we get that sell side run right into this level right here. Beautiful level. See if we can get a reaction off that now. I'll get in right here now if it wants to run higher. If it doesn't, it'll just tank. That fair value gap. That's a breakaway gap because inside the consolidation, fair value gap inside of it. So it breaks over that. Those are great inversion levels. So if it's bearish, I'll use this one to go lower. What would be the risk on this now? Just to look here. Yeah, you do a little bit lower. So 5. Nice little order block inside there now. If we can break that, go higher. So hold this, break this, go higher. I'd take it from right there. If it doesn't offer it to me, it is what it is. It'll just be down 90 on that trade though. Nice, Patty. Let's see if it wants to offer it. If it doesn't, it is what it is. Put a sell stop right there. Oh, okay. Never mind. Doesn't even offer it. Just wants to rep higher from there. Beautiful. 5-minute fair value gap just absolutely just rips its face off. Still can. I still like it. If it came down from there, even relative equal highs. But I don't think it is. I think it's just going to rip. No, negative. Not. My buy limit orders right here. Let's come down to this order block again. I'll take that. The entry. You have to really come down now. This fair value gap's nice. I'm just getting this fucking cheap ass trade though. That's a very nice fair value gap. Take up higher. I'd rather get the lower price though. And there it is. Boink. You just got that buy side run. Honestly, I'm going to take that off now. Just missed that one. It happens. Cheap trades relative to the market structure. You said that bit cheap? Yeah, I was sick. That's what I was looking for all morning right there. Opposite run, go higher, look for a lower time frame so I can get in sync with it. But just miss trades like that. It's all good. 5-minute fair value gap, touch that line right here, first presented as well. Go up right to these relative equal highs. Beautiful trade. We got in sync with it. I just couldn't get in sync. Didn't give me a little reaction here. Just ripped through it. Just kept going. 15 points. I would have made 20 if it came back down to there. All good in the hood, though. Let me just look for more. That was the setup in the morning, though. That was fucking clean. Rip it lower. Well, rip it higher first. Get everybody chasing it going higher, then rip their face off going lower. Everybody's chasing now going lower. If they didn't offset their fucking positions there, now it just rips it all against them, takes out their stop loss. That would be trailed right there. Nice, easy, work its way up. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. What's that? Beauty, just a beauty. Oh. Now we're just waiting for more info. Patrick, where'd you get long at? You're long at there. Oh, let's see. I don't know what 300 ticks is. What is 300 ticks? Yeah, it's just flying higher now. Yeah, 2.9. I could have guessed it. Yeah. What is 300 ticks? 300 divided by 4 is like 75. Yeah. Holy smokes, you're going to hold all the way up for there. It's a fucking move. 300 tick SL. Basically the daily low. You're holding nice. May hold. We'll analyze at 200. Copy. Copy that. Copy that, Chief. We'll see how my boys are doing. Let's go log into this. They both should be in the chat right now. Damn, waiting for others to join. I guess they're not on, maybe? Might be in their own little chat. Probably just not on to begin with. Really? Anyway. Let's check out this hour chart, 15 minutes, see what else is going on. What's it drawing to on these time frames? I mean, it's a weird, funky chart, right? Really, relative equal highs, relative equal lows, FOMC, NFP characteristics, and then it should just fucking pick a direction, liquidate them, and go the opposite way. I'd like it to liquidate the lows first, and then you can sink and go with the highs. Same with ES. ES, I mean, it looks like my fucking butt cheek. A lot of just lows here that people are just drawing a trend line on, rip it against them, and then rip it all here to that wedge. Rip it against them because order flow is bullish. If you look at all this, bullish. So just like we saw in the 1 minute time frame on NASDAQ. Same kind of characteristics. Consolidation, this is the wedge right here. Manipulate, take it higher. So even if we look at, let's go. So let's go. Symbols off. Crossover doesn't fucking matter. Let's go higher with this one. Let's go daily. So you have that here on ES daily. You have this here on NASDAQ 1 minute. Basically the same fucking chart, right? So what I'm looking for here on the daily chart on ES, all right, if I'm looking higher, it manipulate like this. So take out all these lows, boink, and then rip it higher just like that. That's exactly what I'm looking for on the ES daily when FOMC comes out. Rip it higher or rip it lower, and then fucking rip it higher. That'd be very nice, very nice. We'd love to see it. There's also OPEX week monthly options expire this Friday. Make some weird moves in the market as well, yeah. Because the contract expired as well as a rollover contract week. So I already changed it to the new contract, which is NQH 2025. The H is the March contract. It's already rolled it over from the same contract of December. Technically, it expires, like I said, on Friday. And like you said. Patrick, oh darn, FOMC it too. Yep. Be a very weird price action. Can be a bit weird. Hey, but it's lit. It's lit. We had the double stop run. Stop run here. Even that, dude. I don't know. I don't know. Just very, very, very weird. Oh. Oh. Sometimes you gotta invest. Patrick, a 300-point move, 500-point or tick move is not investing. That is still trading. That's hilarious. Fucking nut. We get to these pre-market highs. What's it looking like on this? So we have PM session high. Well, almost PM session high. We have a nice swing high up over here. Just through this. So nice PM session high on this. You got a regular trading hour. We can work our way up towards this. If we want to. I think that's where it's going ultimately. Let's see 15 look like. So I'm going to get rid of this now. That's already liquidated. So we liquidated this. We have a nice reaction going lower, but now we're climbing up higher. So if it doesn't react here, really spools up, then this isn't just a stop run to go lower. This would just be an extension up through this. And that's what Patrick wants to see. He's in these longs, baby. He's in these longs. Patrick added. Ooh. Patrick's seeing fucking red, baby. I like the ad. I like the little admin. Buyer's gonna buy. I like it. You must just think of the market this way, right? So if we go here, regular trading hours, you see this big tank, right? Let's imagine someone's short all the way from up here. You see this massive tank breaking market structure here. If you're looking at it as a short, they're going to move all their stop losses down to this swing high now. So you fake them going short. And it's like, oh, now you fucking just clean them all against them and go out for yesterday's high. But like I said, I mean, now you have relative equal lows on regular or electronic trading hours as well. And then you have relative equal highs for yesterday's high as liquidity pool. And now we're just right in the fucking middle of it. So if we take all of that range from there to there, why can we get on that fucking low? Come on, give it to me, fucking tits. Fuck it, I'll just pull it from here. Right about the 50% of that range now. So we have a premium level, discount level. Now we're just floating right above equilibrium. Get rid of that. Order block. I'd like to see it hold. I don't want to see that low get swept. If we're going to continue bullish. If it's swept that low and quickly rejected, then yeah, I mean, I'd like it. These trend line gays are going to come in short. Trend line gays. I mean, they're missing it just a little bit, unless you take from the body there. Body. Yeah. I mean, trend lines are just so subjective. Because, like, I mean, do you draw it from fucking the top to the body? Do you do it from body, wick to wick? Like, I don't know where I would put this trend line. Like, from here to here, from body to body, the highest body. I don't even know. Yeah, clean. No, for sure. They got to be like clean. I mean, ES and NASDAQ are both blasting off to never ever land. I know. Does that even look like regular trading? Ooh. ES, you have the high of yesterday, regular trading hour coming in hot. Which is that discount level. Coming in hot. So we turn our attention to old ES real quick. This will be regular trading hour high of yesterday. Holy fucking moly. That'd be the high of yesterday. I like to see it keep working its way up towards that. If we can get this would be really trading hour. Electronic. Oh, Electro. Nazi D still fucking around a little bit. So regular trading hour high would be nice. ES zooming. Oh. Zooming. Getting to this level. This level's the regular trading hour low. It's also the daily fair value gap that's fucking around with, but this is the high yesterday regular trading hour right here. I've been delineated with these levels. Yeah, get up to it though. A little hey dong. I mean, I wouldn't even know where to take that from though. It's so fucking extended. Maybe that. I mean, that's a fucking shallow ass move. I'd have to risk 100 to make 100. Ain't trying to do all that now. Boink. So I'd like that entry on ES. If we were to go higher. They're trading that fair value gap, but I think it's going to blast off and never ever land. I really like this entry. If we can get this close in a minute 30. You get that bad boy? Boink. Just a million fucking levels, bro. What are you saying? Accidentally got out of break even. I mean, dude, that ain't bad, bro. That happens. Oh, man. Can you take me higher? Oh, we're just nitpicking here now. Now we're just doing some dumb shit. Dumb shit. Bon M's just fucking rocking higher. Oh. All right, here we go. 5 minute. I like to take out that swing low, like right there. I mean, even that. I mean, that's a great buy. I like to just have one tick below it though, dude. That'd be so clean. But I can still see it going from there, just because of that volume bounce, the lack of candle right there, lack of body. I can also see it going down to there. I'd rather not see it go down to this one. Just take it from there, go higher to this level. And like it's such a short range, 4 points. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm on ES right now. All the charts I'm showing are ES. Just because that's a better draw right now. I can see it going to that place. Just on both. I always look at them. I trade both. Both in tandem. Whatever one's stronger, I'll buy. Whatever one's weaker, I'll sell. So if it's faster to the downside, I'll sell that one. If it's stronger to the upside, I'll buy that one. But right now, yes, looks like it's stronger to the upside. Has more potential. A little bit of a cleaner draw too, just like I said. I mean, if you look at those highs, like you're gonna take that, like let's say, I mean, for instance, regular trading hour. A lot of people see this as resistance. I mean, like what everybody would see and take that short. I would pair up my long orders. I would take it to that level, pair up my sell limit orders with your sell limit orders to have that exchange. So when you're selling at levels, I'm selling you my long position at that level. Love it. Let's go. So like I said, I like it to dip down into there. And now let's see if it wants to get some legs and go higher here. Oh, yeah. But bam. I mean, that was clean. Take out the lows, like I said, dip down into here, and then rocket higher. Very, very clean. What kind of cheap trade would that be? 62 bucks to make. What is that? One tick above it. Put a double order there. Even that right there. Oh, right off of that high. Boink. Like to see it run, honestly. Throw 1 on it. See if we can get it. Probably won't come back down, but we'll see. But nah, it's also a fucking true day right there. Fuck. I'm gonna fair, baby. Come back down. I'd like to not even come back down to here, to be honest. I might buy a limit right there. Yeah, buy limit right here. Sell stop. And then take profit would be this green line. I would just have to put a sell limit right there. If we come down. If we just hit the TP before it hits my buy limit, then I will be and taking my buy limit off. That's a very nice level. I just honestly just like to see it rocket from here. I wouldn't even want to see it come back down. Just fucking keep getting legs. It goes on, man. I love it. Like I said, I only see it going to here, and then it can do whatever the fuck it wants to do after getting in this high. I don't know what it wants to do after that. But that'd be, like I said, I'd get off 1 tick above that high, and then it can do whatever the fuck it wants. I don't have more analysis for that. You could also just leave it. Are you in on NASDAQ or ES? It's probably going to smack that high. I'll probably end up just taking these off then. Always NQ, he says. You're funny. Hey, took that one on ES and broke even on it. I don't know. Could be kind of sick. Honestly, I can see it coming back down and then still, because we still haven't even hit that take profit yet. Just a little bit of break in market structure, come back down. Go a wee bit higher, if it even wants to. Buyer's kind of struggling. I mean, on ES, they don't look like they're struggling a little bit. Maybe on NASDAQ. That's why I like the take the stronger pair. Yep, there it is. Boink, right there. Like I said, I liked it to come back down here. I said it could go from this little gap, but I said I'd like to see it come to really this one, right below that swing low, takes it out, and then rips it higher. So that would have been the entry down here. Yeah, ES ripping. Said buy it, don't matter. Thank you. It'd be nice to get on board. But yeah, that'd have been the entry right there. Very clean. Dips down to that 5 minute. Little Gapperino order block. There. Spank it. Can absolutely keep going here. Yeah, both of these just look like dog water. It's just tough to get into any kind of retracement here. Nice. Keep extending. All right, boy. Yeah. Honestly, I like I said, I like FOMC just to fucking rip this off lower when it comes out, the rate announcement. I hope it does, but just so then you can buy it up the rest of the week, go for all time highs. It doesn't extend below. If it just fucking nips below it a little bit and then rips it, I like to come from here all the way down and then rip it. That'd be fucking sick. That'd be sick. What's going on? Where's he at? Guess they're not on. I like the sentiment being built into to where you're now ripping it higher in the AM session, and then FOMC just tanks and then rips it higher. Like just total mass destruction on these high impact news releases. That's really what we're going for. KP, what you should do is buy an eval account on two separate prop firms, take a long on one, short on the other one, and then fucking just risk the fucking the one account. Then you automatically just have a fucking other account. That'd be sick. That's how you scheme the prop firms right there. Top Step doesn't have 1.5 maximum. Apex has a 1 day to pass. Tradeify has a 1 day to pass. I mean, those are really the three I trust. What's the other one? My Funny Futures. Is that 1 day to pass? I forget. Yeah, I mean, that's fine to move up your threshold. I mean, then put it at 1.5. Fuck it. But My Funny Futures, Tradeify, Apex, all them. All them bitches. ES just zooming. That shit booming. Metro booming want some more. Yeah, I would look into Tradeify, KP. Tradeify is pretty solid. Now we can go for this high, bro. That high's going to get whoosh. Maybe. NASDAQ got to get some legs, though. Nazzy D needs some legsies. Dude, we just blasted over that fucking range. Yeah, do it, KP. I like it. I got my regular funded account as well. Boink. Yeah, look at the Tradify. Tradify solid. They're killing it right now. Oh. There she goes. There she goes. I would have liked that 15-second trade on NQ. We go here. Oh, fuck. Let's go. No pot dollar. This right here, the New Day open gap. Relative equal highs were all left here at that sell side run. Your target would have been up here, right above that high. You take that trade, stop loss down below this low. You just scalp these all day, bro. That literally ticked the high. So take profit would have been 1 to 4. I was just talking, watching ES a little bit too. I don't even know where to trade ES from here. Another consequent encroachment. We traded up, came back down. I think I'm like. Patty's in profit, baby. Patty Profits. That's a fucking name. I think I just fucking came up with a banger. Patty Profits. Freddie Futures, Patty Profits, P Trades. Patty Profits. Patty P, baby. P's for profit. Sounds like a nice company name. That's right. I come up with bangers, bro. Come on. Said this shit ain't doing nothing. Bro, you're getting in on the 5 minute. That shit's going to take about Could take a while. Yeah, KP ended up going out Saturday. It was nice. I mean, my board, it doesn't even matter if there's ice or not, bro. My board is fucking nasty. Like, dude, my, it's not an all mountain board. It's a step board. So it's like just like a riding board. So like, no, like I can't really do jumps. It's heavy as fuck. But dude, I'm telling you, when there's ice and I'm like obviously a northeast border, so it's mostly going to be ice. Dude, I don't fucking slip out at all, bro. My shit just grips that ice and just, it's so sick. AD, ready, feel. I gotta make you a fucking add as moderator. Manage moderator. He said, let's go. And there it is, Patty. There's that little push-up that you needed. But yeah, AD was just down a little bit for the week. Just had to fucking hop on, just see what I can get. I like that buy at the first presented. Buy up to those relative equal highs that it created pre-market or market open. If the sellers aren't, was it? Yeah, you better delete that message. Yeah, because you sound like an idiot there. Sellers weren't feeling it. Now they are. We took out a nice swing high on, what was it? Fucking, what the fuck was it? PM session yesterday. Nice swing high on PM session yesterday. Patches of things. Yeah, 1 minute, 15-second kind of day, of course. I mean, hey, you had that nice IO Fed 5 minute as well. Use that to take it up. I would have liked that trade. I was trying to get in sync on the 15-second after it went up, but it just was way too fast. Had a super minor retracement, like deep into that. And then just, nope. Taking it that because I added to it right away. LOL. I love it. Good shit, Patty. ES looking like it's going for those highs, bro. ES looking like it's taking off my boy. ES looking like it's going to 10. Wait, I gotta make fucking Alex a fucking mod, bro. What the fuck? Why am I doing that? Add moderator. Oh, I had to click save. There we go. Can manage everything now. Alex can delete shit. If you want to delete messages, you can just fucking delete them. Remove as manage moderator. Hide user on this channel. Put user in timeout. Oh, if y'all say some dumb shit, I'm putting y'all in timeout ASAP. ASAP Rocky. Dude, look at that fucking move on ES. Holy shit. Look at that. Yank. What up, boy? What up, boy? How you doing that? Let's chart this up real quick. I mean, that buy's not a bad buy. A little parity. Consequent encroachment, 2 overlapping things right there, bro. Fuck. You're just inside the daily. I mean, anything can fucking happen here. What we got? Dan, that was me. Oh, yeah, this is a crazy soak up from the morning. Crazy soak up from the morning. I would love a 5-minute IFF before taking that out. That'd be fucking lit. But definitely gonna give it to me. Give it to me down here. I was looking to get in right there. And then yank. I didn't think it would go this high though. Like fuck. I thought I was just gonna stop around like the discount area. He said put these gains in timeout. Yo, that's crazy. Gotcha, you're wilding. Patty Profits. Just wilding on this guy. So I got that lick from yesterday. On Nazi D. Yeah, I should just rock it up here. That's what we want, boys. Stoke tank on ES. ES just fucking liquidated pre-market odds. GG's. Damn! That shit's crazy. It's lit. And Patty's out. See ya. GG's, Pat. Made 400 ticks because you added. Attaboy. Big time, bro. Big time. Yeah, that was a good takeout right there because ES just liquidated a big time swing high. So this could definitely have a retracement here coming up on Nazi. It's lit. God. If I start any laws, it'll start to reverse if y'all want to get into short positions ready. Yeah, I'm crying. Yeah, don't get in that FOMO, bro. Good setup for me, my boy. Take your setup. Don't face. I'm totally content with it just fucking running. I don't need to get a part of anything. I mean, just look at that run up on ES. Like, dude, like that's just an absolute. I mean, let's just look at this. Let's just gander at this real quick. I don't have to even look at that. Look at that. I mean, look at that. Just straight banger. I mean, straight down, straight up. Like, what the fuck? Look at that V. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Damn, I like that on Nas to get fucking swept too. I was looking for that. I like that level, but I ain't taking that. I'd like that one to get swept, but taking a short right now, dude, would be a little crazy. Not the craziest thing in the world, though. Not the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. You know what I mean? But even at a higher time frame level, reclaim 1 hour. I love these fair value gaps here because now we got price action through it, and now they'll all be just fucking reclaimed. Even this, boink, 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 and this, boink, lower, clean. $70 to make 150. Man, I don't fucking hate it. Even that one though. Boink. Give me that 5-minute IO fed. Let's see if it wants to go higher now. Keep reaching. Dude, I follow a dude I followed made 5K on one account. I can't imagine if he copy trades so well. Yeah, bro. I mean, dude, it's you can do one of two ways, right? You can over leverage and shit and fucking just keep buying prop firms and then just farming for more money. One of my buddies, dude, he spent $30K on prop firms this year, but made an absolute shit ton more than that. But if you got that kind of capital, bro, it's kind of crazy. Oh, AD, little hop on teams action. I was trying to look for you all morning, bro. Hey, look at this shit. Can I show this? I mean, at 9, at 10, I was going to hop on. 10:43. Just no AD to be found, man. Hello? There he is.
There he is.
What a guy. He said 25 points short since I called it. Since he's having hopping logs. I'm crying.
Appreciate the sacrifice.
I know, honestly. Appreciate you dying on your sword there.
Yeah, that was huge.
I love it. I'm probably going to get off after this macro, though. I'll watch for another couple, but I'd like to see it keep running.
Yeah, dude.
5-minute balance range with the 8:45, and then this candle that we're in, 10:40. Even though we took out a high on ES, like, if it's going to keep running, dude, I'd like to at least get up to something halfway decent.
Bro, how about ES?
Just an absolute banger. I'm like, dude, what the fuck?
Like, oh, you wanted a retrace? Nah.
That's crazy.
Just send along and cross your fingers.
And then even like NQ, bro, just inching up.
Right. The whole time NASDAQ was just going sideways. I mean, it was like consolidating bullishly.
Yeah.
Just not good markets, dude.
Yeah, I like clean retraces, not a fucking consolidation.
Yeah.
No.
Exactly. Yeah, dude, I just got on. I just was like, dude, it's FOMC. It's the holiday season. The markets are mixed on the daily. You can count me out, dude. Like, there will be better trade days coming.
Yeah. Dude, my VOD, though, I'm going to watch my VOD back. The whole AM session after like 9:30, dude, called the exact narrative to a fucking T. I was like, damn, like, that's fucking sick.
You're going to watch what? You're going to watch a video back?
Yeah. Because I was just fucking chopping it up, just tape reading. I said I don't want to see that fucking swing low from this morning or last night afternoon at 6 p.m. taken out. Didn't get taken, left it for FOMC, and then just fucking see if it wants to go higher then.
Generation of liquidity.
Yeah. I like to see us run higher now on NASDAQ.
Big sister, 1050.
Mm-hmm. See if we can get it. Little something. So that whole fair value got to fill in on the 15-minute. Just left a little bit of fucking tail there. Balance price range on the 1 hour from the 5 a.m. candle as well. I had that fair value gap mapped out. 1 minute IO fed. Breaking through that nice little range here.
Dude, that hour chart is the worst thing I've ever seen.
It's so weird.
Like, so which fair value gap are you picking, dude?
All of them.
Holy crap.
Literally all of them.
Like ones from, you can pick any of them, dude. Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. You got options.
Yep. What the fuck? That's fine. Yeah, I'm watching that 1 minute fair value gap here on NAS at 10:51. See if we get some nice signatures on that. See if we can take that higher. Said fair value gap, Freddie.
Fair value gap, Freddie.
FBG Freddy.
That's cool.
Because I call him, bro. Patrick's like, oh, I'm in profits. I'm like, oh, Patty's in profit. Patty, call him Patty Profits. I was like, yeah, that's a sick name, Patty Profits.
Patty Profits.
Like, yeah, I just call
That is a good one.
bangers, bro. That's all I do is win. Nice.
All I do is win, Tyler. That's a good name. It really just rolls off the tongue.
I know, right? All I do is boo, boo.
Dude, maybe we go into this 15-minute market maker sell model, fair value get.
Yeah, dude. As soon as 9:30 happened on NQ, it left a relative equal high from pre-market and didn't touch the NWAG. As soon as it tanked, I'm like, oh, we're going back up for that. I was like, that's exactly what you want to see there. We took out yesterday's lows, regular trading hours, all of them, and then left the fucking electronic trading hour low, which is fucking sick. I was like, yeah, I'd like to see it be left, and it was left, and I was like, fuck, dude, that's sick.
Insane.
So insane.
Wait, one day we'll have the balls to just send a trade there. Oh, we're a point away. That's when I'm gonna get in.
So crazy. What's that called? The fucking retirement setup?
Yeah, right. It's FOMC week. We're a point away from yesterday's low. Bye.
So crazy. Dude, the narrative was nuts. I was like, oh yeah, there's like, I was talking through it. I was like, I'd love to see that low get left because one, there's 3 higher time frame levels there with the 1 hour fair value gap and old first presented and the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap, the IO Fed on the daily. I was like, dude, FOMC week as well. I like to see it get left. It fucking went down, boom, and then just fucking shot back up. I was like, get the fuck out of here.
Get the fuck
I was like, bro, narrative is fucking wild. I said, any other day, I'd be shorting the fuck out of this.
Right, and exactly, dude. Context is everything, bro.
Everything, dude.
That's what. Just going back to my journals at the end of every week, just like reading. Wow, the price action is perfect right now for my setup, but due to context, I'm staying out. And then the trade fails. I'm just like, dude, that's crazy.
So
like,
sick.
Just knowing, like,
I'm sorry, go ahead.
I was just gonna say, dude, just knowing like your setup can appear, but it's also doesn't have to be your setup. Like that's wild.
It's fucking nuts. Dude, if we get above that breaker there, bro.
15-minute IFFed, 15-minute fair value gap from the market maker model, that's pretty solid.
Dude, pretty fucking clean. Where's that? Oh, and it's the mid wick of that 15-minute, right at that breaker high.
Do we have, where are we in that sell side leg? Probably like the 50%. 50% if you're not taking that giant wick, but
that's what makes traders give up, man. Got to be able to trust your setups and be aware of the market sentiment. A lot goes into it for sure. Yeah, KP.
Right, 100%. I saw this thing on Twitter that was like, people fucking backtest 100 trades and study for 12 hours over the weekend just to take one loss on their setup and go until and blow their account on Monday. It's like,
yes.
Shit, dude, I've been there so many times.
I was feeling that a little bit today, and I took note of it. Like I heard, I'm like, dude, like this is kind of like a off the rails kind of thing where I'm just in there and I'm looking for setups and stuff, but like everything's narrative based. Just the first trade I took today was not a good setup. Like it was just not a good setup. It was a cheap trade, but I'm like, literally fucked my whole day up. And I literally took a deep breath, acknowledged that it was a bad trade. I'm like, look, like slow down. I've taken a lot of bad, like not bad trades, but I've taken a lot of losses in the past couple of days. Let me slow down, take my setup, and just trust that it's going to work out. Next trade, now I'm break even for the day. It came up and hit my trailing stop loss. I was going to see if I could get more out of the juice. Mm-hmm. And then put the trailing stop loss right at break even for the day because I already took that loss. So,
right.
Yeah, but it's the same thing. Just being able to recognize that, take a deep breath, step back, and get it going.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude, I was on that Monday because we took our setup and then realized that we were looking at the December contract when we should have moved over to March.
Yep.
And I was just like, dude, is this gonna fucking work? How many times are there gonna be little things and
Yeah.
lose on? I'm just like,
Now, at least
dude.
look at both of them. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah, this week you gotta look at both of them, which is really hard too, dude.
Yeah, when they're close like that, I mean, now like we didn't do it wrong staying on it, but we also
Right.
didn't do it right by not looking at both of them. Like,
Right.
you know, like we definitely should have on a week like this. It's going to be my nose. It's just like if
Right.
so, I'm going to look at the volume, open interest for both ES and NASDAQ. If one of them tips the scale, then I'm going to look at both of them until they're all volume and open interest on both of them subside. And then that's why I'll
Dude,
just change over the next contract.
even if the contract, the contract doesn't expire until Friday, like I remember him saying there'll be towards the end of the week, there's gonna be huge liquidity runs just because they want to get that money out of there before the contract expires. Like,
Yeah.
So just using both all week, just another element of challenge. It's like, all right, that's really hard. Oh, it's also FOMC week. Oh, it's also December. Like,
Right.
tough week, dude.
Tough.
And then last week was CPI week. Week before that was NFP week. Like, December's been a motherfucker, dude.
Dude, I feel like all these weeks are just motherfuckers.
Yeah, every week is hard. How about that?
So how about now?
Dude, we're seeing a little. All right, we're in a clear market maker buy model. If we got 6 sister, got that swing high pattern that I like to see with the 1050 macro. I just want to see that low from 11 a.m. left. But at this point, we got ES going lower, taking out at 11 a.m. low.
Nice buy side.
If it's that's okay on ES if we quickly reject, because now NASDAQ should be the more bullish pair as it catches up to the high. But we need to take our time here. It's also just consolidating around the midnight level.
Yeah. Let's get to that time where it might just consolidate for FOMC.
All right. Just 11. Dude, ES is hilarious looking.
Yes, it's just wild.
That 15 minute, that is just like, looks fake.
FOMC, bro, that's what I'm predicting. So we get them all going lower, and we rip it higher all against them. Now we're going to rip it lower, take out the sell side on ES, and then take it off for the fucking highs.
That'd be sick. I totally agree with that, dude. It's just classic consolidation, manipulation, distribution.
Yeah, it might have taken it out already on ESZ, though.
What's that, the low?
ESZ 2024, the contract. Yeah, let's see. Will that run down today? No, left relative equal still. Didn't even get down to that low today. But yesterday at 6 p.m., almost took out the very low. What was that?
I want to see ES quickly reject right here. We got a 15-minute IFED. Just took out 1-minute swing lows. Sell side. If we're going to have 6 sister, that's going to be SMT, and we'll go.
You said IFED to fail on ES?
No, I just said we hit a 15-minute IFED, took out sell side. If we're going to have 6 sister, that's going to have to quickly reject.
Yeah, I got that 1-minute fair value gap from the breaker. I mean, that breaker is just fucking clean on.
Yeah, 1051.
Yeah, I mean, 15-minute IFED, go down to a 1-minute breaker. Like, I mean, that's a setup and a half. If it wants to keep going higher, brother, equal highs. Like, it is getting that time, though, where it needs to fucking do something.
Right. I don't like how the markets are mixed right now. I like the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Just want to see 1 minute structure. But it's a tough day to demand like anything.
Yeah, for sure.
Just wild, just slept in, dude. Also on Monday, if we took that trade on NASDAQ because it was the more bullish pair, we took it on ES because it had actual highs versus NASDAQ was just going into oblivion.
Yeah.
We never would have gotten stopped out.
Yeah, for sure.
That was another thing I noted. I was like, all right, this is such a unique experience. I was like, all right, if we're at all-time highs and Nasdaq is more bullish, take it on Nasdaq. Like, dude, come on.
So wild.
The only way to learn, dude, is just lose in every single scenario, so you can win next time.
That's incredible. Well said.
And there's just so many scenarios to lose in, dude.
So many. That's why it's so sick.
Just gotta lose every way. And once you lose every way, you'll lose left. Yeah, this trade looks bad.
Yep.
Short. But we got U of M Friday, Ty.
Yep. It's my shit.
Ty, you got your Epic Pass?
Of course.
Of course. Did you do the student thing again?
Of course. I got stopped my first lift. They're like, they scanned it. It said red flag or whatever. She calls in. She goes, yeah, it says he's a student. Can you prove it? I go, yeah, can you prove you're a student? I logged into my student
They
email.
said that at
the lift, bro. I said,
Bro.
wait, I already fucking submitted this shit. And they're like, yeah, you got to prove it at the lift now. Like, do you have your card or whatever? She was like a young girl. She didn't really give a fuck, like, either. So I just pulled up, like, my old college email, and it still logged me into it.
Dude, that's
And
insane.
I'm like, yeah, here's my email. She goes, all right, yeah, you're good.
Can you prove it? Fuck you. How about that? Let me go snowboard. Like, what?
Yeah, I know. It's kind of crazy.
Wow, dude. Corporate America takes on snowboarding.
KP goes, I love that.
What'd he say?
Just he just laughed at the
Oh, yeah, dude. That's an insane story.
same story. I gotta get my.
Now, look at this. Exact same trade as Monday. Look how close it got to that low.
I know, and then it just
Now we'll rip
takes
higher. We'll get Alex excited, and then we'll stop him out. Remember that dude? You're like, yo, was that your stop loss? It didn't hit. I was like, yep. And then it did.
And it just rip. Yow.
See, there it is. Context, stay out. Mixed markets. Demand both markets. Dude, the amount of trades I've lost too, because I've just been like, NASDAQ looks so good, but yes, looks terrible.
Yeah.
And then I just lose. Dude, like, it's such a silly reason to lose, but I've done it so many times.
It's fine.
You just cause yourself enough pain till you're like, all right, I'll take this lesson now.
Dude, I mean, look at that close in the last hour from that fair value gap I have at 11 o'clock from Monday.
Yeah, I have the same one.
Oh, dude, like just all those fair value gaps are so clean to be reclaimed, and like every single one of those. Like even like look at the close on.
Yeah, all of Mondays. I have all of Mondays 1 hour is strong.
Yeah, dude. Look at like 8 a.m. or the 8 a.m. candle from today, like the low even, and then the next candle, like just the doji on it, and then like dude,
that's actually insane.
That's ridiculous.
Those are some tough conditions to trade in, dude.
I mean, just trade from 1 hour to 1 hour, That's
yeah, then you have to have like look at that 1 hour to 1 hour with the 9 a.m. candle. Dude, how big of a stop loss is that?
So ES, that's the high of the session right there. If you want to take shorts for FOMC, take it to the lows. That'll be the high.
This is crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah. And meanwhile, ES has just got every kind of gap in the way, every high time frame gap in the way.
Yeah, crazy.
But it had no problem just going to the tick. Oh my god, dude, look at that low on ES. New week open up to the tick. Like, what?
Crazy. But yeah, KP, Alex, the guy that we're talking to right now, he's the one that's coming to New Hampshire sometime. What's your plan on New Hampshire again, Alex? KP is coming all week.
I have no idea. I'll look at it after New Year's.
Gotcha. Yeah, KP is coming all week.
Let's go.
Dude, we're thinking about going to Stowe for like a Wednesday. So it's like about, I actually got to map it out how far it is. Let's see.
Yeah, how far of a drive is that?
It might be like a 2 hour drive, maybe. But dude, we going to Wednesday, bro. Like we don't even have to get there first chair. Like we can get there a little bit later, and then just stay on all day.
Look at that, dude. Didn't like the reaction. Therefore we say we're likely going lower, and now we're going lower.
KP said my short signal was the top. By the way, you're welcome.
Let's go. He's right, dude. That was perfect.
That's hilarious. That's the exact moment where people want to chase and the market shifts on you.
Yeah.
That exact moment.
My signal was the top.
I love it.
That's incredible.
So sick.
Wait, what mountain did you get like flagged at?
Round Top, my local mountain.
What, dude? So I guess any mountain you would have gone to in the system, it's like check this guy's student ID.
Yeah, but I think they might have just said, "Hey, check his ID," and now it's good for the rest of the year. So the girl just said, "Yep, accept. He's good," and then it was just good for the rest of the year. So I mean, hopefully it works out like that.
What's you're 27?
Yeah.
27-year-old student. They're kind of like sus.
I mean, still though, like I mean, yeah, it can happen.
It can happen.
There's not an age on it, you know.
Oh yeah, dude. I'm a lifelong student, bro. I was at where was I? I was at Pep Boys, dude. And they're like, "You got a student ID?" I was like, "I'm a student of life," and they're like, "Yeah, fuck off."
You did not say that. You're such a
clown. Dude. I was like, "I'm always learning." Why do I need that?
Such a clown. You're such a clown.
The cashier was like, "Dude, I hear you, but we need a student ID." I was like, "All right, yeah, I don't have that."
I said, "Yeah, it's sick, but like, for real."
Yeah, it's like that's really neat, dude. But that's not gonna cut it.
Wow, look at this short. It's going down for FOMC, boys.
We got, is that regular trading hours yet? I think, yeah.
Yeah, we're inside of it right now.
I just put that on my OG charts. Some more gaps. Just give everyone discounts. That's crazy. You're able to like pull up.
Yeah, Miles. Yeah, I know. I was able to pull up that fucking email. Or my email just to prove it. They're like, "All right, cool."
All right, cool.
Yeah, my Top Steps hit my bank account.
Hey, congrats, dude. Massive. Dude, December's been hard overall. A lot of days of just like ton of manipulation. And then like 1050 will be solid.
Yeah, I don't think I'm getting in a trade here. I think I'll
Not no shot, dude.
Yeah, I gotta bounce. I gotta go to the gym.
I've been tradeless the last 2 days.
Nice, big time.
Monday. We'll see, dude. I might not even take a trade till after the new year. Because then we got next week is like Christmas week.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not trading on next week.
See what FOMC does, but yeah, for Thursday, Friday, just be like nice. Doubt it.
Doubt it.
Yeah. It's like holiday consolidation, dude. Like ES is just, we sat through so many of those, dude. Sometimes they're like 40 days of the daily looking like that.
Dude, yeah, I know. Fucking dollar that 1 year. It was 2 years ago or last year, just.
Yeah,
dude, it whipsawed too. I think it was 2 years ago. 2 years ago, dude, the dollar consolidation, we came out of it, right? The new year. It tanked, went up. So consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Tanked back down below it and then ripped up higher. I was like, dude.
Significant tank, like 2 days of closure below it.
Literally. I was like, oh, nice. Breaking market structure down. Let's go. Breaker.
Yeah.
And then just ripped our fucking face off. We're like, where the hell is this thing going?
Yeah. I remember just being angry, dude. Back when I didn't know that shit, like, just taking trading so personally, dude.
Yeah, I know.
Being angry at like my parents because the market sucked. Like, kind of how I feel this week, dude. I've just been like a little bit like, what do I do if I can't trade?
Yeah.
Who am I if the markets are bad? Right back to the low that 1 hour.
Yep. And the first presented. But I'm getting off, brother.
Yeah.
Small loss on the live account, small win on Top Step, small loss on my funded futures. So literally just basically break even for the day.
Yeah, break even in a unique way.
Yep.
Word up. All right. Peace.
See you, brother. Yeah, boys. Peace and love.